Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Flinks, which is, can I have multiple bank accounts linked through Flinks? The short answer is yes. Flinks is designed to allow the secure linking of multiple bank accounts. Flinks is a data aggregation platform that enables financial technology companies and other businesses to connect to their users' bank accounts. When you use an app or service that partners with Flinks to link your financial data, the connection process generally works like this. First, you log into your financial institution through the Flinks interface, which is embedded in the partner's app or website. Second, during this login process, Flinks will retrieve a list of the bank accounts associated with those login credentials. This often includes checking, savings, and sometimes investment accounts at that specific institution. You will then typically be prompted to select which accounts you consent to share data from with the partner service. This means that with a single successful login to your bank via Flinks, you can select and link multiple accounts from that one financial institution. Furthermore, if you have accounts at different banks, the process is repeated. You would go through the Flinks connection process separately for each different financial institution you want to link. Each successful connection to a new bank, which requires a separate login, can then bring in all the accounts you select from that bank. The end result is that the partner service can gather data from multiple accounts across various financial institutions, all linked securely through Flinks. This capability is essential for applications like personal finance management, lending, and budgeting tools that need a complete view of a user's finances. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.